Hi YouTube, I'm going to show you how I've fitted some very easy task lighting to my Geeetech A30T. It's pretty standard construction, so this would work on other models as well, but basically I'm adding some task lighting. I bought this 24 volt LED strip, a metre of it, and what I've done is, this is just a spare section, I've tucked it in the uprights for the gantry all around the perimeter, so it's in here, across the top and down this other side. So the LED strip comes with two flying leads on the end, and where it comes down from this vertical, I've drilled a hole through into the base. So to get into the base of the machine, we've got to take the bottom panel off, and there's a lot of little screws around the perimeter, and we've got to disconnect the fan connection, and I've marked it with some felt tip there so I know where it goes back on, because there's two there, there's two connections there, and it probably doesn't matter, but you can see I've marked that one with felt tip, so I just need to reconnect that. So the hole that I drilled through the bottom, the cables come out through here, and we've got the 24 volt supply, so we've got the 3 pluses and 3 minuses, so we can connect the negative to any of these and the positive to any of these. So then you can see the negative of the new lights coming onto that terminal there, which I've picked, and then the positive is coming off here. And what I've done is I've broken the circuit and fitted a switch in the line so I can switch the lights on and off while you're waiting for the printer to work. And here's the machine now in position, and it's a bit of a dark corner, this is why I fitted the lights. So it's switched on. I'm just trying to find the new switch, and there we go, all the light you need, floodlit. Cheers.